When someone buys a '67 Chevrolet, this is what he sees. Now, look at what he gets. The quality features that keep Chevrolet America's most popular car. Foam cushioned seats front and rear in this Impala Super Sport Coupe. Extra thick, extra comfortable. Deep twist wall-to-wall carpeting. And for an added touch, carpeted lower doors. An energy-absorbing instrument panel that's foam cushioned. Your Chevrolet's gas is double filtered too, in the tank, in the carburetor, for peak performance. Chevrolet quality. It's the big reason more people prefer Chevrolet and get that sure feeling. Get a quality Chevrolet buy now at your Chevrolet dealer.